Come on, give me a diamond. Diamond, come on. No, I don't want that. Give me a diamond. Diamond. There you go. 2 more. There we go. We cleared it up. 3 by 3. Perfect. 5 spins. Let's see. Let's get 4 diamonds. Come on. There's 2 of them. Come on. 2 more diamonds. 2 more. There's 1. Alright. Wait. 1 more. There it is. Alright. Up to the 4 by 4. Perfect. 3 extra spins. We're at 4 now. So you got 3 diamonds. 3 diamonds. Bad spin. Let's do it. Diamonds. Alright. 2 more spins. Let's go. 3 diamonds right there. Perfect. Bigger. How many more? 3 more. Alright, we got 4 spins. We got 3 diamonds. Got money right there. I'm already in the positive. Let's go. A couple diamonds. Need some diamonds. Come on, let's do it. There's 2 of them right there. 1 more. Alright. Alright. 1 last spin. 1 more diamond. There it is. Oh, 3 of them. Oh, shit. Here we go. Alright. 1 more. 1 more diamonds. Come on. Alright, we're up $20. Not just mo money, mo money. Come on.